You've been told that anchor investors are the foundation of your fund, the rock-solid lifeline that somehow guarantees success. But how many times have you felt that gut-wrenching frustration staring at your cap table, realizing those anchors are more like anchors dragging you down? Spending endless sleepless nights wondering if those big names really have your back, or are just there to fatten the pitch deck? That slow-burning anger grows when you see funds launched with loud promises, but no real muscle behind the scenes, no serious commitment, no real partnership. The truth is brutal. Not every anchor investor anchors. Some just coast on reputation without action, leaving you stranded while they collect prestige and perks. That feeling of isolation crushing you, like the system, the entire market, is rigged to reward mediocrity and surface-level hype instead of true value and relentless commitment. If you want to break this cycle, first, you must stop worshipping the label of anchor investor and start demanding the raw, unfiltered proof. Demand they put skin in the game, not just with checks, but with sweat equity, strategic introductions, and real influence on growth. Insist on anchors who become evangelists, who breathe the fund's vision, fight in every boardroom, open doors that no ordinary LP can crack. If they aren't turning energy into tangible momentum, cut them loose fast. It's a poison you cannot afford. Next, flip the usual investor-founder dynamic on its head. Don't chase anchors to fill seats. Pre-qualify anchors who align deeply with the fund's mission, who have a track record of hustling for founders and limited partners alike. Dig through their history relentlessly. How do they behave when returns dip? When the market shudders? When the going gets rough? Those are the anchors worth holding on to. Real anchors don't bail or hide. They double down with ruthless clarity and discipline. But here's the bombshell nobody is telling you. The true power to anchor a fund springs not just from singular big names, but from assembling an ecosystem of fiercely complementary LPs, each ready to add a layer of security, insight, and influence. It's a network effect, not a solo act. Build that web of mutual accountability that forces every partner to step up, because they know they're not just funding a vessel, they're keeping each other afloat. No lone sharks allowed. This synergy is your secret weapon, your lifeline out of isolation and mediocrity. You must become ruthless architects of this ecosystem. Structure your fund so that LPs can't just write a check and vanish. You need clear roles, active engagement mandates, and measurable accountability baked in from day one. Design communication flows so tight, they leave no space for silence or disengagement, but always full of value, insights, real conversations that ignite collective energy. Transform passive investors into active guardians of your vision. And please, stop looking for comfort or validation in what the market tells you is standard. We live in a world fueled by illusions, and too many founders and LPs are trapped in the same loop, looking for permission, born from fear, stuck in old rules that kill true freedom and growth. Instead, claim your right to remap the rules, forging bold new ways to partner and create value beyond capital. Your fund is a living organism that demands fierce protection, nurturance, and relentless connection. So right now, make this promise. No more settling for anchors that weigh you down. Build a tribe of real allies who fight with you, stand with you, break ceilings with you. Force the system to reckon with authentic partnership, not polite passivity. The future doesn't belong to the comfortable or compliant. It belongs to those few who dare to tear down illusions, connect deeply, and become the creators they were always meant to be. Because the game is not just raising money, it's rewriting what partnership means. It's about liberation from incomplete deals, from surface-level validations. It's about seizing absolute freedom in your vision and execution. It's about making sure every dollar in your fund is anchored by fire. Burning passion, relentless commitment, raw power to shift the world. This is your call to action. Stop hoping for anchors to carry you. Build a fortress of firepower, demand the real deal, cut snake oil charmers out, architect your tribe like your future depends on it, because it does. Right here, right now, start reshaping what it means to anchor a fund so that it truly anchors, and nothing less.